You can make a lot of teaching aids using an old flip-flop. You need a rubber slipper, a punch, a hammer, 3 pencils, and a few beads. Now, hammer the punch has to make 3 holes in the flip-flop or the rubber slipper. They would be all in a line. Now take 3 pencils and stand them in these holes. This would look more like a pencil stand. This is like an abacus. Take 1 bead and put it in the units place. This is number 2. The right hand pencil is the units. And when you put 9 beads, you can't accommodate any more. So this represents 9 now. For the 10th one, you will have to remove all these beads. Now this one would represent 19 now. To see it more clearly, you can see now it represents 6. There are only 6 beads to the right side. In the middle there are 5. This represents 50. This is 400. 4 beads in the hundreds pencil. This is 214 with just 1 bead in the tens place. This is 403. There are no beads in the tens pencil. Now just bend the pencil. All the 3 pencils will meet at a point. This is like a concave mirror. And if you just bend it the other way around, all the 3 pencils will diverge and you will see a convex mirror. This is very nice to illustrate ray diagrams. If it's a plane mirror, a beam strikes and it's just reflected back. But if it's a concave surface, they just meet at a focus. If it's a convex surface, they're all reflected, they diverge. Now with a simple rubber slipper, you can show practically how rays behave when the surface of the mirror is curved, convex or concave.